Seven. Ay, nagsha-shortcut tayo. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Alright. Tapos medyo nagpo-provide na lang din ako minsan ng ay, sobra na. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Okay, the other side. Good job yun ah. O yan. Head up. Oh, 6. Oh, we can do it. You can do it. Head up. 7. Ay, good job. Lakas na na. Oh, down, down, down ulit. Down, down, down ulit. 8. Okay, good job. Oh, down. 9. 9. 9. Head up. Good job. Oh, hindi pa 10. Ay. Hello. Hala. Ay. Down. No, not yet. 9 pa lang. 9 pa lang. Go down. Last one. Okay, 10. Oops. Yeah. Alright. Oh, last one. 10. Head up. Okay. Good job. Alright. Yes po. Any recommendation, Teacher Anna, para medyo mas mataas niya po yung sa limbs niya? Na okay.
Wow, naka-watch.
And then yung ganyan, going up yan. Go. Tin. Go.
Hindi ko nakaabang nila.
Tin.
Itanduan.
Let's go. Put together. Go. Go. Ayan. Almost. Go. Ayan po pala, Teacher Anna. Here. Again.
Let's try to
Put here.
move like that. Move it like that.
Put.
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, next.
Try to. Oh no. I try to shoot.
At a
Let's
time.
go.
Sure, at a time.
Next.
One pair at a time. One pair at a time.
Next. Oh, what's that? It's a half.
Okay, remove.
Here.
Okay. Put here. Put. Go. Get gears. Okay, thank you. Pull. Okay, put. Okay. Do it properly. Inside the... Yes po.
This one.
Okay, let's stop. Sit down. Alright. Oh, your bucket is here now. Hold your bucket. Okay, put sa left. Sa left and sa right. Okay, your chairs are here.
You want?
Chair here and the other side. Okay?
That one?
Alright. Oh, here muna. Put your bucket here, Gab. Gab. Put your bucket here. Uh-oh. Here, Gab. Put the bucket here. Thank you. Alright, to the other side naman. Let's get the bucket. Other side. niya sa ball. Medyo may konting cues pa. Umaangat po kasi yung sa feed niya. So, ang cue ko. Put.
Last one.
Ayan po. Medyo nahirapan naman siya sa dalawa po. Opo. Alright. Good. Kasi isa po grading na trinay ko din before. Okay, sige, let's try. I'll help you out first. Get the bucket with 2 hands. 2 hands. Go, Gab. Go, Gab. Okay. Put here. Opo. Ay, more of yung balancing.
Let's put toppings.
Go. Gab, you're going to fall off balance. Go, Gab. Focus.
And hold it here.
On the chair na. On the chair. Thank you. Ayan. Yes po, Teacher Anna.
Hi guys! So, today is Thursday at pagkatapos ng SPED school ni Gab, meron siya occupational therapy. So, ayan, bumababa na siya ng stairs after ng OT session nila ni Teacher Mau. So, ayan, ginigauge niya lang yung cane niya. Medyo maliit na yung cane niya, nasira kasi yan. So, kailangan pang palitan. Naputol siya. Nice na lang ni Daddy. Ayun, medyo napatid pa siya. So, ayan, tinuturoan namin siya mag-open ng door ng sasakyan. Tapos, medyo naguhubad na siya ng shoes na dyan. So, ayan, sabi namin, fit muna ang ipasok. Huwag ihubad yung shoes. So, ayan, behave naman siya dyan at nandyan si Daddy niya. That's it!
Uh-oh. Okay. Shoot inside your pocket. Where's your pocket? Here. Inside your pocket. Shoot. Ayun po. Medyo kailangan din po pala mabilis yung transition kasi play na po niya to. So, medyo ulitin namin yung ano. Okay. Shoot inside. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Move. Alright.
Ayan, naka-index finger na.
Oo nga.
Ako.
Oo nga. Next. Ay, focus muna. Focus.
Ang kulit ng fingers eh.
Continue. Okay. Alright. Good job. So, sige. Teacher will help you. Get the ball. Ang ball lang. Okay. Here. Inside the pocket. Shoot. It's okay. Shoot dyan. Shoot. Okay. Next. Oo nga po. Ayaw niya po i-shoot eh. Alright. Sit properly. Let's go. Next ball. Uh-oh. Good job. Okay, shoot. Pocket. Shoot. Oops. Konti na lang. Last one. Sige na, last one. Okay. Last one. Cat, go. Shoot. Yay! Alright, good job. Better.